Hi everybody, hi there. Today I have another unboxing and reviewing of jewellery. You know how much I love jewellery. Jewellery and makeup's my thing. So a company called ReadyourHeart, all the one word, ReadyourHeart.com have sent me some rings. And I've got the rings here I want to show you. I didn't get to choose these rings, but I'm so happy with what they've sent me. They've sent me the 3-stone Moissanite 2-tone halo sterling silver ring. So they've sent me this one. This is their website. And they've sent me this one. This one is a Moissanite series fashion 6-prong sterling silver ring. Beautiful. I can't wait to see them. And I'm going to be leaving links to their web page and everything below. Please check them out. So I just got a package like this through the post. And we'll start with the goodies that came with the rings. I got this, and it says Moissanite. And I think this is a little leaflet. Let's have a look anyway. Let's just look at it all and see what this is. There we go. Alright, so first you've got this little envelope thing here. And then there's a little, it looks like a credit card, but it's a little card they give you. Limited lifetime warranty and certificate of authenticity. You can register your purchase here online, which is a good idea. And it's all about Moissanite jewellery, this little leaflet here. That's what it's like inside. Just information about your ring. I'll have a wee read at that later. So like that. I think I actually got two. I just got another one because I've got two rings, so maybe that's why I've got two of these. Maybe the code's different on them. Is the code different? Maybe it is. Maybe that's what's... Yes, it is. So there's your code IDs at the bottom. So I've got two rings, so it'd be a different card for each ring. And another little leaflet with the telling you all about Moissanite jewellery. And Moissanite is like diamond. It looks like diamond, and it's beautifully made. I mean, I know that Moissanite jewellery sparkles like real diamonds, if not better, dare I say. So I also get this little leaflet, Read Your Heart, and I'll show you this little leaflet. And on the back you've got your return and exchange policy that you can read. There's the thing about diamonds versus Moissanite. And it tells you diamond versus Moissanite and the differences. Not much difference though, they're made in a lab, but not much difference other than that. Right, what else have I got here? A nice little bag if you wanted to buy one of these and gift it to someone. There we go. Oh, it's a lovely little bag as well, I like this. And that's nice. There you go. Isn't that cute? A nice little gift bag. You could put that under your Christmas tree with some whatever jewellery you've got, and then some like tissue paper. And that's really cute. I like that. And then we've got the two rings. Now let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'll let you see the ring first, right, as usual. Let me see what the boxes are like. Ooh, very nice. There's the box. Ooh, spongy. Right, you can look first. Oh, I know it's down there like that, so there it is. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at the sparkle. I'll read to you what this one is again. This one is the Moissanite series Fashion 6-prong sterling silver ring, and it's Read Your Heart is the company name. Carat weight 2 carats, $119.95. Colour silver. Look at that. I'm going to be putting close-ups of this beautiful ring. I'm going to put close-ups now for you. And this is the single stone one. How beautiful is this? You can see the stones on the sides. Do you see them? Very sparkly. That's the way it sits. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful ring. I love it. As I say, guys, links are in the description bar. Oh, how beautiful. How absolutely gorgeous. Do you see around the sides here as well? We've got the lovely... Oh, I love it. Look at that. Look at the sparkle. That is one sparkly, sparkly ring. I love it. There's the height of it. Looks nice in the back. Nice and smooth. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at it, it's beautiful. Okay, on to the next one. It's like Christmas, guys. It's like Christmas. Now, the next one shall be, let me see, where are we, this one? Right, this is the next one. This should be the 3-stone Moissanite 2-tone halo sterling silver ring. And it's $138.85. And they came quick in the post, which is always good. Again, just this little, look at the sparkle. Right, let's open this. Again, you can see it first, right? Right, I'll close my eyes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think I'm in love. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Look at the detail, guys. Stunning is the word. Now, you know I get a lot of jewellery, but absolutely beautiful. The sparkle is unbelievable. And this one's got like gold prongs. That's 2-tone, isn't it? 2-tone. You see the gold. This is a 2 carat also. This is a 2 carat. 2 carat. It's sterling silver. Yeah. Let me see. 3-stone. Diamond cut grade. Hearts and Arrows cut. That's the name of the cut of these. Both of them are that, because I read it before. The cut of these diamonds are called Hearts and Arrows. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I'm going to put close-ups of this ring now in here. Okay, I forgot to say, guys, it also comes with a little cloth to buff up your jewellery. There's this one. This one is the 3-stone one. Look at this sparkle. Isn't that gorgeous? But you you can see the diamonds on either side, and then this way you can see the different colour. And it really does sparkle beautifully, and it feels lovely and smooth. Absolutely gorgeous. Unbelievably beautiful. Let me put it on again. Oh, the bus stop is over that way. Over there. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So listen guys, I'm going to be putting links to all good stuff in the description bar below, to their web page and all that. They're called Read Your Heart Jewellery. Beautiful, beautiful things on their website. You should go and take a wee look, and don't forget Christmas is coming up soon, so you know, maybe get a wee Christmas present for someone you love, or maybe just treat yourself to something nice. Why not? I'm going to go away and look at these now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I send you all my love and hugs. Bye everybody.